Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an artist, designer, or just looking to upgrade your creative setup, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best drawing tablets for 2024, the best tools to help bring your digital art and design projects to life. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. GAOMON M1220 Drawing Tablet. The GAOMON M1220 comes with a 12-inch active drawing area, offering a spacious 258.4 x 161.5 mm for computer use and 161.5 x 90.8 mm for Android phones. The tablet is compact but large enough to let you work comfortably. The tablet is incredibly responsive with a sensing height of up to 10 mm and an accuracy of 0.3 mm, ensuring that every brushstroke is captured with precision. The GAOMON M1220 features 8 customizable shortcut keys and a function key, which you can program for functions like zooming, brush adjustments, or page scrolling. Plus, there's a touch ring, which allows for seamless navigation, especially with the radial function in Windows 10 and above. This is a huge time saver for digital artists, making tasks like zooming in and out or adjusting brush sizes much easier. One of the standout features of this tablet is the AP32 passive pen. This pen uses the latest passive technology, meaning it never needs charging. You get hours of uninterrupted drawing and designing without worrying about battery life. The pen also supports a plus 60-degree tilt function, giving you more control over your designs and letting you adjust the width and spacing of your strokes with ease. For added convenience, the GAOMON M1220 has 13 multimedia buttons that let you control things like music, volume, and even specific functions within your drawing software. And speaking of compatibility, this tablet works perfectly with Windows 7 and above, Mac 1012 and later, and Android devices running version 6.0 or higher. Number 4. Bosto 12 HD, a graphics drawing tablet. The Bosto 12 HD-A features an 11.6-inch IPS high-definition screen, which provides stunning visuals and vivid colors. With a resolution of 1366 x 768 pixels, you'll see every detail with clarity. The screen offers 16.7 million color depth and a 1001 contrast ratio, making your artwork come to life with vibrant accuracy. Plus, with a 178-degree viewing angle and 250 CDASHA M2 brightness, you'll get a clear view from virtually any position, reducing strain on your eyes during those long hours of creativity. The Bosto 12 HD-A comes with a battery-free pen, which means no charging is needed. Just grab it and start creating. This ergonomic pen is designed to reduce hand fatigue, making it comfortable for long sessions. It also includes 2 customizable function buttons, so you can easily switch between tools or commands. And with 8192 pressure levels, you get highly precise, detailed lines, giving you a natural drawing experience. The 25 millisecond response rate and 300 points per second reading speed ensure that your movements are captured quickly and accurately. The Bosto 12 HD-A works seamlessly with Windows 7 and above and Mac OS 10.11 or higher, so it's compatible with a wide range of devices. Whether you're connecting to a PC or laptop, this tablet will integrate smoothly with your setup. Plus, it includes a 2-in-1 USB cable with 4 different interfaces for easy connectivity. This tablet isn't just for artists, it's perfect for everyone. It's great for software like Photoshop, Clip Studio, Sketchbook, CAD, and more. Whether you're doing hand-painted illustrations, animation design, or online education, the Bosto 12 HD-A is an all-in-one solution for creativity and productivity. Number 3. Ugee UE 12 Plus Drawing Tablet. The Ugee UE 12 Plus comes with an 11.9-inch full high-definition screen, boasting a 1920 x 1080 pixel resolution. What's special about this screen is its full laminated design, which eliminates parallax for a smoother drawing experience. This means your pen strokes are exactly where you want them to be on the screen. The anti-glare coating further reduces reflections so you can create comfortably in any lighting. The Ugee UE12 Plus comes with a battery-free stylus designed to feel like a traditional pencil. It's lightweight and comfortable, making long drawing sessions a breeze. The pen features 192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise, detailed strokes, whether you're sketching or shading. It also supports 60-degree tilt recognition, giving you even more control for natural, fluid lines. For efficiency, the Ugee UE12 Plus is equipped with an innovative scroll wheel and 8 customizable shortcut keys. The scroll wheel allows you to adjust tools like brush size, zoom, or even undo actions with precision. The 8 shortcut keys let you program your favorite functions, speeding up your workflow and helping you focus on your creativity. When it comes to connectivity, the Ugee UE12 Plus offers dual Type-C ports, which make connecting your tablet super easy. These ports support both data transfer and power input, meaning you can plug in your tablet and start drawing right away. Plus, if your phone's battery runs low during a session, you can connect a power cable to the additional port for continuous use. This tablet is compatible with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 10.10 or later, Android 9.0 or later, and more. It works seamlessly with popular drawing programs such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Painter, and Manga Studio. Number 2. UE16 Graphic Tablet Monitor. The UE16 boasts an impressive 143% sRGB ultra-high color gamut, meaning you get more vibrant, true-to-life colors. With a color depth of 8 bits, this tablet can display 16.7 million colors, which makes it perfect for artists who need accurate color representation in their designs. Whether you're working on digital art, illustrations, or photo editing, the color reproduction will give your work a professional finish. The UE16 gives you 4 color space options: sRGB, Adobe RGB, DCI P3, and even black and white mode, allowing you to switch between different visual experiences depending on the needs of your project. This flexibility ensures you have the right color environment for whatever you're creating. The UE16 comes with a U-pencil stylus that features an amazing 16,000 pressure levels. That means every brush stroke is smooth, natural, and incredibly responsive. Whether you are doing detailed artwork or quick sketches, the pressure sensitivity ensures your lines are precise and fluid. Plus, the pen has a pencil-like grip, which makes it comfortable to hold for long periods without hand fatigue. The pen also features 2 customizable hotkeys and a pressure-sensitive eraser for easy access to your most used functions. The UE16 comes with 8 physical shortcut keys that allow you to program your favorite functions for quick access. These keys provide tactile feedback, making it easier to use them without breaking your creative flow. Additionally, the scroll wheel offers another layer of convenience, allowing you to seamlessly transition between 4 preset functions with the push of a button. Number 1. XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro features a stunning 15.6-inch full high-definition display with a 1920 x 1080 pixel resolution, giving you crystal-clear details with every stroke. The tablet uses full laminated technology, which means the glass is seamlessly fused with the screen, eliminating parallax and providing a distraction-free drawing experience. This also makes the tablet more comfortable to use for long hours. The tablet comes with the PA2 battery-free stylus, which offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. This means you can create fine, detailed lines with ease, whether you're sketching, shading, or adding textures. The 60-degree tilt function lets you simulate the natural feel of a pencil, offering even more control over your strokes. Whether you're creating digital art, writing, or signing documents, the pen's precision ensures a smooth, natural experience. One of the standout features of the XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is its customization options. The tablet comes with 8 customizable express keys, which you can assign to your favorite functions for quick access. Whether it's undoing a mistake, changing your brush size, or toggling layers, these keys allow you to work faster and more efficiently. There's also the red dial, an innovative control that lets you zoom in and out, scroll up and down, and adjust settings smoothly and accurately, perfect for detailed work. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 11, 10, 8.7, Mac OS X 10.10 or later, and even Chrome OS 88 or later. It works seamlessly with major graphics software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, Corel Painter, and many more. Whether you're an illustrator, graphic designer, or content creator, this tablet integrates perfectly into your workflow. And there you have it, the top 5 best drawing tablets for 2024. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's advanced features, precision, or compatibility with your favorite programs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching and happy creating. See you in the next video.